Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you a fun way to demonstrate apparent centrifugal force. Check this out. This first demonstration involves a micro racer and a couple of jars. Micro racers are easy to find on Amazon and fairly inexpensive. Let's see if my micro racer will have enough apparent centrifugal force to stay inside of my flask. All you need to do is just turn on the bottom of it and drop it into your container. Here's the flask with the car rolling sideways. I slowly tip it upside down and it stays inside the flask. Just amazing. Another fun way to demonstrate apparent centrifugal force is with my Hypno Gizmo toy. If I turn it slowly, the centripetal force will allow the balls to be attracted toward the inside of the toy. But as I increase the speed, you'll see that apparent centrifugal force as the balls are on the outside of the toy. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.